I often get asked if Arizona recognizes common law marriage. It does not. You are either married or not in Arizona. If you're not legally married and you live together, you've shared assets for years, unless those assets are in both parties' names, the law will not recognize your contribution to those assets and your interest in those assets if you're not married. Common law marriage, of course, is people living together for 5 months, 5 years, 50 years without having been legally married. Now, if you choose not to get legally married, often today we see a lot of people who are in second and third marriages. The children are grown, they have their own assets, they do what's called a spiritual marriage. There's no involvement from the state, but merely they are married by their pastor or their bishop or whoever they feel is the appropriate party. But even the spiritual marriage is not recognized by the state, and if it's not recognized by the state, you're no different than a stranger on the street to that person. Now, if you are living together and you buy a house together and it's in both your names, well, then obviously you both have an interest. If you decide that you want to do healthcare power of attorney, you can do that. You don't have to be married. But I just caution you, make sure you understand the difference between a legal marriage in Arizona and what a lot of people refer to as a common law marriage.